Jalpayanti means what did you say, Parmeshwar?
Worshipper.
No, Jalpayanti is Jalpanam
Like
is
jumping ahead and showing up
talking a lot.
too much. Yes.
Gossiping.
Not gossiping.
Not gossip. Simply talking unnecessarily.
Talkative.
Talkative.
Okay.
It is it. I think similarly, there is a Telugu Vemana Pathakam, right? Alpudeppudu paluku adambaramuganu, sajjanundu paluku సాధువుగాను కంచం రోగునట్టు కనకమ్మ రోగున విశ్వదాభిరామ వినురవేమ. Similar meaning. And Tamil, there is one proverb which says Niraikudam Talumbadu. That is the first line.
Very good.
That's one of the reasons I could able to easily get. If some of the words I don't know the meaning, but I just made it out.
Yeah.
You try to find out the meaning.
Yes,
Upaiti ityukte perform something like that. Ardho ghataha ghosham upaiti. Noonam ityukte certainly.
Definitely.
Astu. Agrimam Parameshwaran Mahodaya. For you it is very easy. Easy one has come for you.
Can we keep this for me next round?
Karta Karayita cha eva prerekanumodakaha. Sukrde duskrde cha eva chatvaraha samabhaginaha. Karta Karayita cha eva prerekanumodakaha. The doer and the Karayita. Karayita cha eva prerekanumodakaha.
Doership.
The one karta is the
doer.
Karayita, who makes him do.
Cha eva
And also
both of them are distanced.
No. And also cha eva preraka anumodakaha. Preraka, one who encourages.
And one who praises.
No, anumodakaha, one who see, there are four
type of persons. One is karta, one is karayita, and one is preraka, one is modakaha. Modaka means anumodakaha means who feels happy.
He seconds, he supports.
Supports. Okay.
Like usually they say no, this dushta chatushtayam. Duryodhana, Shakuni, Dushyasana and Karna. They were like that.
So Sukride, Duskride, cha eva chatvaraha samabhagina. There are 4 parts to Sukride and Duskride. Is it?
यदि सुकृते सुकार्याणि भवन्तु अथवा दुष्टकार्याणि भवन्तु ते चत्वारः समभागः.
They share equally.
Four divisions.
All of them get
equal measure.
So the 4 people are the one who does and one who makes them do. Cha eva also one who supports prerekah anumodakaha modate. That so one who becomes happy, one who supports.
So what is Karyita then?
Oh, Anil Mahodaya came.
Anil Mahodaya has come.
Oh, he came very good. Karayita, one who does.
One who makes him do.
One who makes him do. Karayita. Karta,
So,
karayita.
one who makes him do and preraka, one who supports, like what is the difference?
Somebody would have given an idea. Another person would have supported. Yes, we should do. And the third person would be Karayita.
Second.
So here, if you match the Chatusthai, then Karta becomes the Duryodhana. And Karyata becomes Sakunya. Okay. Preraka becomes Dushasana.
Anumodakaha Karna. Always he has supported all their
both good and bad, yeah.
So what is Preraka? Preraka
who encourages. Encourages and supports.
So both are that same meaning? Anumodaka is also support?
No. This Anumodaka, he didn't get the idea first. Preraka got the idea first. So Anumodaka, he will support whatever this Prerana.
No, Preraka is also support, you said, right?
No, he gets the idea.
No, that is Karita, right?
No, Karyata makes you do it.
If you take like cricket or anything, Karta is the player, Karita is the team on the umpire or the coach, and Preraka is all the sponsorships, and then Anumodaka is the fans, audience. Always support them.
Anila Mahodaya.
Jivhe pramanam जानीहि भाषणे भोजने तथा अत्युक्तिरति भुक्तिश्च सत्यं प्राणापहारिणी. जिह्वे प्रमाणम जानीहि. What is जानीहि?
No.
Oh, जानीहि. Okay. प्रमाणम जानीहि भाषणे भोजने तथा. So tongue, pramana, we know tongue about speaking and eating, something like that.
No, it is Sambodhana Vibhakti. He jihve pramanam janihi.
Okay.
Okay.
There is a pramana, but like when you doing bhojana, you should not. I mean, one should not speak.
No.
Bhashane and bhojane. So, jive ari pramanam janihi. Do you know? No.
Definitely means pramanam janihi means definitely no. You please understand. Bhashane bhojane tatha. Atyuktihi. Bhashane atyuktihi. Bhojane atibhuktihi. Excess eating.
Speaking more or eating more, right?
Both. They both.
Okay. You should. Okay. Anyway, you should know that eating more or speaking more or eating more is definitely going to take your life.
Pranapaharini. So in one sentence, how do we say, like, oh tongue, speaking more or eating more?
You should know this truth. You should know this truth that speaking more or eating more will take your life.
Okay.
Okay. Then Saraswati Mother.
Durataha parvato samyaha. Ramyaha bandhu ramyaha parasparam yuddhasya cha katha ramya trini ramyani durataha. The mountain that is distant, durataha parvata, the mountain that is, it looks beautiful, ramyaha. Bandhu ramyaha parasparam. Bandhu is relatives, right? Relationship or relatives?
Relatives.
They look good, parasparam, when they are apart or distant. Yuddhasya cha.
Parasparam is distant. Parasparam is distant.
Together.
Bandhu.
When they understand each other.
Yeah, no, Saraswati Mother said distant, so I don't understand.
When the relations
that Durataha she has applied here also.
So when the relations are far away, the parasparam, that happiness would be there. Is that what it is? See, we don't fight when. I'm trying to understand. What I'm understanding is when, just like the mountain looks beautiful when it is far away, same way when the relatives are far away, there will be mutual understanding, or you have a better relationship.
You don't quarrel.
Yeah, see, if, only when someone is far away, right, we'll remember, oh, I'm missing him and all those things, right? You don't fight when they're far away, so they look good.
Yuddhasya cha katha ramya. Trini ramyani durataha. I don't know. Yuddhasya means in a war, of the war.
Yuddhasya katha.
Story.
And katha, and story.
No, Yuddhasya katha. Cha is for all the three.
Oh, Yuddhasya katha. Okay, Yuddhasya katha looks Ramya, beautiful or interesting. Trini, what is Trini? What are the Trini?
All the three.
All the three.
Bandhu.
Parvadaha, Bandavaha, Yuddhaha.
Yuddhasya katha.
Yuddhasya katha. Everything looks Ramyani. Durataha. That's what it is. Okay. Okay. I got the meaning, but I did not. So when the mountain, the relatives, and story about war all looks beautiful when it is far away. When the war is happening near us, we don't...
No. Yuddhasya katha far away nasti. Yuddhasya katha ramyah iti katha ramya iti avagamyat. Kintu yadi yuddhe vayam bhavishyamah. If we are in the war zone, then we won't enjoy that.
That's what, yeah. Durapu konda nunupu.
Swapna Mahoday.
Kasturi jayate kasmat. Ko hanti karinam kulam. Kim kuryat kataro yuddhe. Mrigat simhaha palayate. Kasturi jayate kasmat. What is kasturi? Is that a plant?
Kasturi
is fragrance.
Fragrance. Jayate kasmat.
Kasmat jayate.
Born from whom?
Oh, born jayate. Yeah, born from. Oh, fragrance is born from where? From whom? Ko hanti karinam kulam. Kulam is kula.
Kari means
like no, kulam is it's a group of people, clan.
Clan, yes.
Clan, yeah. Ko hanti karinam kulam. What is
Kari means what? Karinaha.
Does, right?
Kill. So ko hanti is who kills?
What?
Elephant, right?
Elephant. Kari is elephant.
Karina is elephant?
Karinam. This is Shashti Vibhakti. Ramanam.
Pradam.
Who kills a group of elephants?
What's that again?
Who kills group of elephants?
Who kills group of elephant? Okay. Kim kuryat kataro yuddhe. Who does killing in the war? Is that right? Who does killing in the war?
किं कुर्यात् कातरः युद्धे कातरः किं करोति इत्यर्थः.
Katara means the fighters?
No, one who is afraid. See, you have answer for all these questions in the
fourth Brigad Singha Palayate.
Yes. Kasturi Jayate Mrigat. Pohanti Karinam Kulam Simha.
Simha.
Kim Kuryat
Katarayate Palayate. Okay.
He will run away. Palayate.
Palayate is what?
Run away.
Running away.
They say Palayana Mantram. Whenever you can't win an argument, apply Palayana Mantram. That's what they say.
So, Kim Kuryat Kataro Yuddhe. So, the one who is afraid.
He will run away.
In a war. Okay, run away.
So, can lion kill a group of elephants?
It does.
I doubt it.
I thought even a single elephant and a lion are very equivalent. They are difficult to fight each other.
Yeah.
No, it can attack from behind.
No, but then if it is a group of elephants, then others will kill him, right?
No, but normally it happens like that only. The lion comes and attacks, then other lion also come, then they, as a group, they destroy.
No, Anil Mode, you know what? Baby elephants are
easily to be
attacked by lions, not the big ones.
No, but then Karinam Kulam is a group of elephants, right?
Yeah, we have to put a baby there.
Kulam has a different meanings, right? Many meanings.
Like?
Kulam is also Kundalini because
Kundalini?
Yeah, Kulam is also Kundalini because it's in the Sri Suktam. It comes in more detail.
Your voice is very low, Krishnamani.
Sorry. Sri Suktam, it comes, Kulam is Kundalini. So I think it has many meanings.
Maybe, I don't know. Anyhow, next one.
Anila Mahadya, going in order.
Yeah, Krishna Mahadya, no? Bhojanante.
Yes, sir. Bhojanante cha kim patyam Jayantaha kasya vau sutaha.
Kasya vai.
Kasya vai sutaha. Katham Vishnupadam proktam takram shakrasya durlabham.
Takram means buttermilk.
Oh.
Takram
shakrasya.
Durlabham.
Sugar durlabham. Okay.
Sugar nasti. Shakraha ityukte Indra.
Okay.
Oh, what is it? Shakrasya?
Indra.
Devendra.
Oh, okay. That's like, it looks like the first, this like the similar one, each has its own meaning. Okay. Bhojanante cha kim patyam. Why do you want to fast? Bhojanante.
No, digest. What helps in what at the end of food, bhojanante, you take, which helps you digest.
Patyam is fasting, right? It's not digestion.
No, digest.
Patyam is
eating, food. What you take, right?
Okay.
Or medicine also you can say.
Pathya is also medicine. Yeah.
What is good actually? That way you have to say. What is good after food?
What is good after food is takram, buttermilk. Jayantaha kasya vai sutaha. Jayanta is whose son is Indra's son. You gave me the answer, so not Sugar's son. Katham Vishnupadam Proktam. Katham Vishnupadam Proktam. I mean, how is getting moksha or Vishnupada is durlabham, right? It's next to impossible.
What is it? Is this not possible? Katham Vishnupadam Proktam.
Durlabham. It's not impossible, but
1 in million.
Proktam means what?
Attains, right? Or achieves.
Proktam is to
obtain.
It's.
So, do you all know the story of Yagnavalkya?
Some story I know.
Can you tell what you know about Yagnavalkya?
I will try to. I don't say in Sanskrit, but it is like that. He wanted to go in search of Brahman. So when he says, "I want to attain what is to be attained," so he tells his wife. So the wife asks me, "Also tell me what it is." So he teaches her about this Brahman. That teachings is there about him. That is one story, you know.
Okay. Yagnavalkya, he was the nephew of Vaishampayana.
Vaishampayana, there is one more story. That is Taittiriya Upanishad. There is one story.
And also, he was also his guru. Vaishampayana was his guru also for Yagnavalkya.
Yeah,
he was studying Taittiriya Samhita from the guru. Once all the rishis made a pact to study the scriptures together, whoever would be absent, he will be incurring the Brahma Hatya dosha for 7 days. On the appointed day, sage Vaishampayana had to perform his father's death ceremony. So he asked his students, he had many students, so he asked all of them to undergo the sin. But Yagnavalkya said, they cannot bear so much of suffering, so I'll, on behalf of them also, I'll incur the sin. Vaishampayana did not agree, but he kept on insisting. Finally, Guru became angry and said, you can go away from here, but before going, give me back all the teachings you have acquired from me. So Yagnavalkya vomited all of the teachings, and the remaining students were eager to learn, but they were unable to learn actually. So they all took the form of Tittiri birds and ate the pearls of wisdom. Then they got the revelation. And because of the Tittiri birds, it became popular as Taittiriya Upanishad.
Yeah, this story I said.
So can you try to narrate this in Sanskritam now?
I didn't understand the concept of this himself, then Brahmatyasan and 7 days. What exactly is that?
No, concept. No, there is no concept.
No, what did it mean? I didn't even understand the thing there.
See, he wanted to test. His other students were not all that good in learning for Vaishampayana.
Okay.
So he wanted them somehow to understand the this Upanishad. So this way they got to learn.
Yeah, that I understood. But what is this twist here? I didn't. Whoever absented himself would incur the Brahmatya sin for 7 days.
They kept it like that so that it would be continuous. Nobody would be absent, and there won't be breaks.
If they didn't attend the pact,
okay,
then they you have to be present.
Yeah. What is this Brahmatya sin?
Absent student gets the Brahmatya sin.
What is Brahmatya sin?
Brahmatya is
killing a person, killing a human being. Brahmatya.
So what do you mean by incur for 7 days? Like, I didn't understand that.
No, they kept it as a rule because you.
Like 7 times doing 7 times 7 days.
Mm.
Position, like imposition 7 times, 10 times, like that, maybe.
Yes, there is nothing to understand so much in this. Or
Anila Mohdaya, we have to change it to Sanskrit now.
Yes.
No, that is fine. So for that we need to understand, right? That's why I'm trying to understand. So how is it related to that? Matlab, he wants to take. Matlab, I didn't connect the story.
See, many of the stories, right? They just doesn't make sense. But it's a story.
You need not worry so much about whether it makes sense or not.
There is a sense there, but
not at the present day. It may not make sense. You must take it as it is.
No, I'm not talking about present. I'm trying to connect with the other part of the story. Is it relevant for the story? How do you connect?
No, one of the rule is whoever was absent for that chanting together, the reading the scriptures together, if that person is not present, they said they would, it's like a curse, they would incur that sin for 7 days.
Okay.
It is like, okay. So on that day, sage Vaisampayana had to become absent because he had to do his father's ceremony.
Oh,
so
the
he
sage
had to
himself has to do, okay. He himself has to do be absent.
Absent. So because of that, he said, okay, all students, why don't you take, like on my behalf, experience, you take that sin.
That's where I was trying to connect. Like I didn't get the second part.
And the other student said, okay, I will, Taitya, he said, I will take all the sins, don't give it to anybody else.
Idanim Samskrita Anuvadam. Not exactly from these lines. You on your own, you do this.
If we translate, that will be good.
I'll close this actually. This is not required. Now you know the story. You build the story.
Oh my God.
Blindfolded.
We don't know the names.
Yeah, we won't translate letter by letter, but at least you show the story.
There are only very few names in the story.
Yajnavalkya and Vaishampayana. There are only 2 names. Yajnavalkya.
Tittiri Pakshi.
Yajnavalkya, Vaishampayana Mahodayasya Putraha cha Shishyaha cha Asid.
Putraha na.
Bharyasya putrasya.
Nephew.
Not Bharya.
His sister's son.
Bhaginyaha putraha cha Shishyaha cha Asid. Sarve militva Taitiriya Samhidi Padandi Sma.
Can we try one lines?
No. Yes, one line, yes.
Sarve militva.
No, Krishna Mohdaya, then start.
Whatever he said. Sarve militva Taittiriyopanishad Patanam iti.
No, Upanishad na. Taittiriya Samhita.
Taittiriya Samhita Patantum iti. What is the promise or
No. They were. You have to say. Saha Vaishampayanaha tasya bahavaha chhatraah asan tatra. Sarve Taittiriya Samhitam Pathantaha asan.
But they said Rishis, right? All
No,
Rishis.
that comes later. But initially you have to say Vaishampayana had many students who were studying this. All those things you have to say.
Maybe the students were rishis only.
No.
Junior Rishi.
They became rishis later stage.
Then why did they form the pact? Rishis came in between and formed the pact.
Rishis, other Rishis.
Okay.
Usually study groups we make, no? Like that. All the rishis thought we should do some studies on scriptures.
Okay.
But it mentioned, right, they made the pact for Brahma Hatya sin and other.
No, the rishis. Saraswati Mahoday.
बहवः ऋषिः ऋषयः वैशम्पायन ऋषेः शिष्यान् मिलित्वा
न वैशम्पायन ऋषिं मिलित्वा
तैत्रीय संहितं उक्तुं पारायणम् उक्तं पठितुं निश्चयं कृतवन्तः
स्वप्ना महोदय
कश्चन
one day, so how do I say?
Kadachit.
एकस्मिन्
दिने वैशम्पा.
No, what was the rule?
परन्तु पूर्वं निबन्धः आसीत्. कः निबन्धः आसीत्?
Nibandha is essay.
Fact. That is one condition.
Nibandha is condition also. Okay.
That survey.
Absent is what? Absent.
Everyone should be present. I want to say that. The survey.
Upasthit.
कश्चन नास्ति कश्चन तत्र नास्ति
यस्य कोऽपि
पठितुं समये तेषाम् एकः निबन्धः आसीत् कवि न आगच्छति चेत् सप्तदिनपर्यन्तं
ब्रह्महत्या दोषम् अस्ति
अनुभवं प्राप्नोति
अनुभवं करोति.
Say the sentence again from Parmeshwar Maharya.
तेषां पठनसमये तेषाम् एकः निबन्धः आसीत् कोऽपि न आगच्छति चेत् सप्तदिनपर्यन्तं
ब्रह्महत्या दोषं
प्राप्नोति.
तदनन्तरं वैशम्पायनस्य पिता मृत्यु भवति.
श्राद्धदिनं.
He already died.
वैशम्पायन पितुः श्राद्धस्य दिने वैशम्पायन ऋषि अनुपस्थिति अभवत्.
अनुपस्थितः अभवत्. वैशम्पायन तां शिष्यान् उक्तवान् ते सर्वे 7 दिनपर्यन्तं ब्रह्महत्या व्रतम् अनुचरन्तु इति.
ब्रह्महत्या व्रतं नास्ति, तत् शापमिव अस्ति.
ब्रह्महत्या दोषं स्वीकरोति. स्वीकरन्तु
मम स्थाने भवन्तः सर्वे मिलित्वा एतत् शापं स्वीकुर्वन्तु इति वैशम्पायनः उक्तवान्।
तदा यज्ञवल्क्य उक्तवान्
शिष्याः इति नास्ति, मम सहपाठिनः
ये कर्मं कर्तुम् अशक्ताः अतः तत्स्थाने अहं
स्वीकरोमि
स्वीकरोमि इति।
अहं सर्वे दोषाः
स्वीकरोमि इति।
सर्वेषां स्थाने अहम् एकाकिनः
तं दोषं स्वीकरोमि इति उक्तवान्।
स्वीकरिष्यामि वा स्वीकरोमि वा
उक्तवान् वैशम्पायनः यज्ञवल्क्य उक्तवान्।
कृष्ण महोदय।
परन्तु वैशम्पायन ऋषिः didn't accept it.
न स्वीकरोति।
स्वीकृतवान्
न
यज्ञवल्क्यस्य वचनं न स्वीकृतवान्, अङ्गीकृतवान्।
यज्ञवल्क्यस्य वचनं न अङ्गीकृतवान्।
यज्ञवल्क्य पुनः तस्य गुरुं प्राप्नोति, प्रार्थनां करोति। सर्व ब्रह्महत्यदोषं तां स्वयम् अनुभवामि इति उक्तवान्। परन्तु
वैशम्पायन ऋषिः
कुपितः
कुपितः अभवत्। याज्ञवल्क्यं
निष्कासित
शपितवान्। Oh, he didn't actually. He asked him to get out. There was no shapam. Niskasitavan.
What?
Niskasanam ityukte throw away.
Eject, expel.
Expel.
He suspended the student.
The word is what? Niskasit.
Niskasayadi is the verb, I think.
Niskasitwan. Survey Gyan. Return is what?
Nani.
Return is what?
Pratyarpayatu.
सर्वाणि ज्ञानानि प्रत्यर्पन्तु। अतः
प्रत्यर्पयतु।
प्रत्यर्पयतु। ओके।
प्रत्यर्प्यतु।
अर्पयतु। अर्पयति अर्पयतु.
प्रत्यर्पयतु. अतः यज्ञवल्क्य what is it called, vomit?
Vamanam.
Okay, vamanam akurvat.
सर्वेषां ज्ञानानां वमनं कृतवान्.
वामनं वमनं वमनं
वमनं
ज्ञान वमनं कृतवान्. कृष्ण महोदय, your turn.
यज्ञवल्क्यः तस्य शिष्यान् तान् वमनं स्वीकरोतु.
यज्ञवल्क्यः नास्ति,
वैशम्पायन तान् तस्य शिष्यान् तं वमनं स्वीकुर्वन्तु इति उक्तवान्. अतः सर्वे शिष्याः तैत्तिरीपक्षिरूपेण तान् वमनं स्वीकृतवन्तः.
कृष्ण महोदय.
अतः we are not able to hear you.
Some issues. Can you hear me now, sir?
Yeah.
Sorry. That's why sometimes ataha. I wanted to say that's why the Taitani.
So correct, no? Ataha. Saha.
तैत्तिरीयोपनिषत् इति
प्रसिद्धि
तत् ज्ञानं तत्र
सर्वज्ञानानि तैत्तिरीयोपनिषत् इति प्रसिद्धम् अभवत्.
प्रसिद्धिं अप्राप्नोत् also you can say. अस्तु.
अतः, say the sentence again. अतः.
Now you are putting me in trouble.
No.
अतः तैत्तिरीयोपनिषत् इति प्रसिद्धम् अभवत् or
प्रसिद्धिं
अप्राप्नोत्.
Yeah, you used one word of something like what became called as Taittiriya Upanishad.
Sarvasya Jnanam or something.
Samhita Jnana or something you said.
I wanted to say so many things, but difficult. It's like, yeah.
किंचित आंग्ल भाषा उपयोगं करोतु.
Because the knowledge that they have grasped from the Yajnavalkya is better. I mean, from that point onwards, it was known as Taittiriya Upanishad. Because he is the one who grasped them compared to others. He grasped, his knowledge was tremendous. That's when they grabbed it, and that's how it came to public that his knowledge. Otherwise, it should not have been that famous. Tittiri Pakshi.
I have another story for you.
So, the Tittiri Pakshi then got the knowledge. Is it like that?
Yeah.
So then, how did people get it from Tittiri Pakshi?
They're students, right?
They took the form of Tittiri Pakshi.
Oh, okay. But they went back to the normal form.
I think you're writing too many programs, Anila Mahodaya. You're using too much logic.
Yes.
दृश्यते वा?
कृपणस्य धनम् एकस्मिन् अग्रहारे कश्चित् पुरुषः वसति स्म. Agrahare. What is Agrahare?
Agraharam itukte grama.
Street.
Group of houses.
It is near the temple and all. It will be right. One street, something that is called Agraharam.
Okay.
Small community.
Okay. In one community, there was some person.
One person.
Some person, Kaschit, right? Some person used to live. Some person was living. Some person was
lived. They lived person.
No, Vasati Sma. So that is was living.
Sa Diva Kribanaha Asid. He was very thrifty. Miser.
Kathaschit saha. Kathanchit saha prabhutam vittam sampaditavan. Kathanchit, somehow he prabhutam vittam. Enormous amount of lot of money. So somehow he owned lot of money, lot of property.
Sanchitam sarvam sanchitam sanchitam sarvam dhanam saha ekasmin tamra bhajane nikshipya rakshatam rakshat. So nikshipya rakshat. Okay.
Nikshipya rakshat.
Sanchitam sarvam, all the money he earned one day, once or ekasmin, once.
No,
he put it in a
ekasmin is for tamra bhajane.
Ekasmin tamra bhajane. One tamra, the copper
at one point in
pot.
Time, right? Ekasmin.
One
point in time or
ekasmin tamra bhajane.
In one tamra bhajane.
Okay, in one copper pot or container, whatever that is, he saved all the money in that. Sanchitam. All the earnings, right? Sanchitam is all the earnings.
What is Nikshipya Rakshat?
Nikshipya, secretly.
Secretly protected inside it.
Anyasmin parva dine ushasi saha kripanaha snanartham nadim agachat. Anyasmin parva dine. So
in
another
auspicious day.
Festival.
Parva dine.
Oh, auspicious day. Okay. Ushasi saha. Ushasi.
Early morning.
Early in the morning.
Early morning, the miser for taking bath, snanartham, nadim, he went to the nadi, river.
Okay.
गमन समय ताम्र भाजने संचितम धनमपि अन्यत्. While gamana samay is while going, right? While going, the collected wealth in the copper container, he kept it somewhere else.
No, he took it along with him.
No, he took along with him. He took is a lang lakara, right?
Anayat.
Kintu tatra vittasya reshanam kadam idi chindakulaha abhavad. How to protect this vittam, that is dhanam. How to protect dhanam idi? That way he became worried.
Tada tena ekaha upayaha chintitaha. Tada. Then he thought of one idea.
Tada. So isn't it like passive instead? Then idea was being thought by him.
Yes.
Okay.
Tena, right? Tritiya vibhakti.
Tada tena, yeah, eka upayah chintitah. Okay. Then an idea was thought by him. Or
is it bhave prayoga? Is it bhave prayoga, this sentence?
No, upaya is the karmanam.
Upaya is there, right?
Okay.
Saha nadyah atire sikatasu
Sikatam ityukte sand.
Sand.
Okay. Gartamekam vidhaya tasmin dhanapatram rahasi nakshitam. Saha nadyah tire. He on the river's bank, you can say. Then sand, right? Shikatasu. In the sand. This is Saptami Vibhakti. Gartamekam. I don't know what.
A hole.
Hole. One hole.
Okay.
In one hole. So.
Okay. Gartamekam. Vidhaya. Made one hole.
Yes.
Tasmin dhanapatram rahasi. So he put it. Now put there. And nyakshipat. So he again hid there. Right? So on the river bank, he made a hole in the sand, or and then he hid that pot with dhanapatram, one which has money in that sand.
Oh, so it is like vidhaya means made.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vidhaya means making a hole.
Oh, okay. Vidhaya is a lep pratyaya, right?
Vidhaya.
So, okay, having made a hole in the sand in the bank of river, he inside that he put the dhanapatram secretly.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadah, Anila Mahodaya.
Why, thank you. Dhanyavadah.
Anil Mahodaya is doing research.
He's making us strong. That's it.
Etadanyo na avagachet swayancha tadanayasena labheya.
Only that much you tell. Then go.
Okay. Etadanyo.
Etad
anyaha. So
na avagachet. Let this not be
known to others.
Etad anyaha.
Na avagachet. Avagachet means not
spotting.
Knowing.
Not spotting it.
What's that?
Couldn't know. Na avagachet, right? So no one else.
Oh, he did not know. Avagachet. Okay. Avagachet.
Let it not be known by anybody.
Let it not be known by anybody. Others. Anya. Okay. Swayancha. Swayancha. So, is it he told himself?
He can only.
Swayamcha tat
anayasena. Without difficulty.
Anayasena. Without difficulty.
He can get it.
Get it, right?
Anayasena labhe. So naturally, right? Anayasena naturally.
Without effort. Without effort.
Samaranam.
Okay, so what does it mean actually? Etad anya navgachet. Okay, others wouldn't know about it, but he can get it easily.
iti buddhya
tadupari
sikatabihi shivalingam akarot.
Ekam shivalingam
akarot. Okay. So here with sand he made a
Shivalinga over the place.
So iti buddhya.
Tadupari. Okay.
With this buddhi, tadupari, over that,
Buddhya is after, right?
Iti with this thought. Etat
Buddhya
anyah
malaya. Tritiya vibhakti.
Anyah na avagachet. Swayancha tat anayasena labheya. Iti buddhya. Iti chintayitva. Tadupari.
Oh, buddhya is tritiya vibhakti. Okay.
Buddhi, buddhya.
with this buddhi,
with this thought, he built
tadupari, over that. Upari is over. With the sand, Sivalinga, one Sivalinga he made. Okay. He did. Akarot is did, right? He did.
Akarot.
Akarot, yeah. He did.
Tataha saha snanartham agachat. Tataha saha. Tataha is
From there.
From there.
Okay.
Panchami.
From after that, Tataha is after that.
Then also you can say then.
Then okay. Then he went for a bath.
From there.
Ataha. Because Tataha.
Then tada tatra agadaha sarvebi yatikaha idam saikatalingam vilokya अस्मिन् तीर्थे सैकतलिंग निर्माणं संप्रदायः इति मन्यन्ते. So that all the yatrikas who are come there, all the people who have come there, this Shivalingam should be made. This is the sampradaya iti and amanyanta means they thought. Sarvebi yatika idam saikatalingam vilokya asmin tirthe. I mean, after making the Shivalinga should be nirmanam sampradaya. That is, they should make a Shivalingam there. Iti anyamanta. Then they
amanyanta.
Amanyanta. They thought.
There is a vilokya, right? So it is like having seen the sand Shivaling.
Yeah.
Then the all agataha, all the travelers coming there. Then asmin.
All the travelers who came there. Tataha sarvepi ekaikam lingam nirmaya snanartham agachan. Then everyone made one linga per person and went to take that. Sarvepi ekaikam. Each one made one linga nirmaya, made one linga snanartham agachan. So they went for bath.
Having made one linga, they went for bath, right? Nirmaya.
Yes.
Nirmaya, having made it one linga. Yeah.
Okay, me. Agachan. Yada saha कृपणः स्नानं समाप्य प्रत्यागच्छत् तदा सः सर्वं नदीतीरं शैकतलिङ्गैः युक्तम् ऐक्षत. This is Atmanepadi. Yada saha kripana. So when the miser after taking the bath, after taking
finishing
samapya,
finishing, after finishing, having finished, you can say, having finished the bath.
Rather, having completed
the bath. Yeah, completed the bath. Pratyagachat. Then he came after coming there, right? He came. Returned. Then he on the bank, Nadi Tiram, on the bank of the river, Sarvam. He saw so many Shivalingas made out of sand, sand lingaihi. That is Tritiya Vibhakti, right?
Sarvam Nadi Tiram Saikatalingaihi Yuktam.
Yuktam
Yuktam is filled with. He saw Nadi Tiram filled with sandlinga.
So Aikshat is
saw.
Ikshate asti kila?
A plus ikshata. Lang lakara.
Aikshata.
Tatra
Swatamra bhajanam.
Swatamra bhajanam. Oh. Tatra swatamra bhajanam anveshtum asamartha cha abhavat. There his own copper vessel anveshtum,
to search for,
find, asamartham, not possible. It became impossible. Correct?
Helplessness.
Samartha bhavat. It was not possible for him to find. Okay. Tada ativa dukkhitah saha evam avadat. So then, with too much sorrow, he said, indeed. Can you scroll up a little?
Yes, I have.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yes, I have done. Can you see?
Gatanugatiko loko na lokah parmarthika. Parmarthika. Gatanugatikah. Gatanu is gone, right? Gone.
Gata anugatika.
Gata anugatikaha lokaha.
What is Gata is gone?
No, you read the entire.
Okay. Gatanugatikaha lokaha na lokaha parmarthikaha Parmarthikaha Ganga Shaikatalingena Nashtam Me Tamra Bhajanam iti. Okay, the people who are coming and going.
Ganga Saikatalingena Nashtam Me Tamra Bhajanam. So, because of this Saikatalingam, I have lost my Tamra Bhajanam. In this world, Gata Anugatika. People following the others. One person goes, so people are following him, like sheep mentality or whatever you say. In this loka.
Lokaha paramartha. They don't know they don't know the truth. They simply follow.
Okay, so rather than understanding the ultimate meaning, people just blindly following each other. With that, Ganga Shaikata Lingena, with the Ganges sand linga, Nashtam. So Nashtam is for Tamra Bhajanam. What is it for? Nashtam?
Yes. Nashtam Mama Tamra Bhajanam Nashtam.
Name is Mama.
With the Ganga Shaikatlinge, my Tamra Bhajanam is lost.
Good story.
So, okay.
So there is no moral or anything, right? Moral, nothing.
No, he's just blaming everybody
people should follow blindly what you are doing.
Okay. No, but that's okay, na? Because he lost his Tamra Bhajanam. For that, why shouldn't people follow?
I have one more story. Would you like to do, or shall we wind up? Choice is yours. One crow story is there. Not Chaturaha Kakaha.
Sure,
I will sign off. I'm feeling very tired.
Okay.
So, but you can continue. I'll get it in the recording. Dhanyavada, madam.
Swagatam.
Before Swapna Mahodaya, before you leave, I'm going to send an email. What Jaykumar Mahodaya said is, like, when we register for this Pravesha Pariksha, we get the books, right? And because of this COVID only, it is possible to send only to India, in India, right? And not everybody in India may be able to get this. So the people who are in India, they put their address. For the people who are in USA, he asked me to get the Indian address, and I will be sending an email regarding it, and he will ship it to the wherever in India. So I asked him, okay, how, in any case, who is going to come from India to all the people and give the books? So
I have my book here. So
yeah, but he is also planning to gift another book to all the students. So he wants to ship all those books. But even if we give the Indian address, and when can we get that? I don't know. Who is going to get us? I don't know. Anyway, that is what he asked us to get, and I'm going to send an email. That's what I want.
I think maybe because he wants to gift, right? So at least in your Indian address, it will be there when you are available. You come back to India, you can take it, kind of thing.
Dhanyavada, everybody.
Thank you.
Yeah, Suprabhatam.
Shivaratri.
Ekah swadu na bhunjita. Bhunjita. What is bhunjita?
Bhunjita is eating. Actually, bhuja palana vyavaharayoho iti dhatuh. So here, eating. Eating.
Eating, okay.
Ekah swadu na bhunjita.
Swadu means?
Swadu.
Taste. Who is who is
No, you should not eat alone. That's what there. You must share with others.
Ekah swadu na
bhunjita.
What's the meaning again, ma'am?
Bhunjita is eat.
Okay.
Swadu. Tasty food, you can say. Even otherwise, food. In general, it is food.
Kinchit vanam. So some forest. Dwadasa vatsaran yavat. Vatsaran. Dwadasha vatsaran yavat anavrishtihi kadachit bhavat. Kinchit. Oh, so that is not
12 years. 12 years.
That is not a sentence is not over there, right? Kinchit vanam.
No. Sentence is kinchit vanam asit.
Oh, okay.
Asit is
some forest is there. So dwadasa vatsaran 12 years. Right? Vatsaran yavat anavrishtihi kadachit. So what is yavat here?
Yavat is complete.
Anavrishti means no rain. Sometime no rain happened.
For 12 years. For 12 years.
In 12 years, Okay, sometime in 12 years, no rain happened. Correct? Okay.
Khatyam pashinamabhi mrigyam abavad. Pashina means all the birds and plants.
Birds also.
Are also dead.
No, not dead.
Mrigyam means?
Mrigyam ityukte, it became difficult.
It's difficult for
to be sought like that.
Pashinamabhi.
For Khadyam, the birds also had to speak here and there and all.
Okay, it's difficult for
to eat. Khadyam. Khadyam is to eat. Khadyam. Okay.
Ante vrishtihi nishtya jata. Ante, in the end, vrishtihi nishtya jata.
Dishtya ityukte, with luck, you can say.
Oh. Ante vrishtihi nishtya jata. With luck, the vrishti or
Rain.
Oh,
at the end.
What form is Dishtya?
Dishtya, I'll find out and tell you. I don't remember now.
Jada is I think it is a Tadiya Vibhakti. Dishtya Jada. Dishtya Jada.
That means, I mean, in the end, by Vasha came. Is that what it is?
Yes, sir. With luck.
Rain happened by luck.
Rain happened by luck.
Rain happened with luck.
Okay.
Kshetrani sasyalani. So the land became fertile.
Field became
fields became fields. Kshetrani
full of
greenery.
Sasyalani. It became green. Okay.
Vrshaha parna palavandaha. That means all the trees became mere fruits and leaves.
Sarvatra haritam drishyam. Everywhere greenery was visible.
Svetavahanaha kakayuthapaha asmakam parichitaha. Svetavahanaha kakayuthapaha.
Leader.
Svetavahana is white vehicle.
Is a name, I think.
Name of that Kakayu.
Leader of the crows. Leader of the crows.
His name was Shvetavahana. Saha asmakam parichitaha. Now he is known to us.
Okay.
So what is it? Asmakam parichitaha.
Parichitaha. Now we know him. Because,
okay.
How do we know him? I didn't get.
We just read. That's why we know him.
Oh.
He has become our friend now.
Saraswati Mahodaya.
Okay. Vanopante kachana vruksham samari saparivaraha saha adyavasat. Vanopa ante. Inside the forest, kanchana vruksham.
End of forest.
Ante is end, right?
Upante ityukte near the end, you can say.
Near the end, okay. Kano upante, near the end. In one of some tree, saparivarah saha, with the family, right? Parivara parivara, family. Adyavasat saha. See, he is the saha is referring to that as Shvetavahana. He lived at the almost to the end of the forest with his family on a tree.
End of the forest, near the forest. Upante means near, no?
Vanopante, so near the forest.
Near the forest, some tree.
Is it because of Adhyavasat it is Dvitiya Vibhakti Vruksham? Otherwise, it will be Vasat? Adhyavasat. Okay. Because Adhyavasat is there, that's why it's Dvitiya.
He stayed in a tree near the forest.
So in a tree, then it will become Saptami Vibhakti, right?
No, Adhyavasat. Adhyavasat. That's what Krishna Mohaya is saying. Adhyavasat, so it's a Dvitya.
If it is Vasat, then it will be Vrukshe.
So Adhivasat or Adhyavasat.
See, when you use Adi, you have to use Didya Vibhakti. Adi Gachadi, Adivasati. When there is there, then you will get the Dudya.
Yeah. Adhi or Adhya are they same?
Adi means Adi Avasad. So Adhyavasad.
This is Langlakara.
Adi Avasad, Adhyavasad.
So Vasat means past tense of living, right?
Avasad.
Avasat. So what does Adhyavasat mean?
Yeah, that is only emphasis. Adi Vasadi.
Oh, Adi.
It's Upasarga.
Upasarga Purvaka.
Adi plus Avasat. Okay. Lang Lakara. Adhyavasat.
Krishna Mohaya.
Sorry. Sasya bhuishte
Shwabi.
No, my turn, I think.
It's your turn. Okay.
Yeah. Sasya bhuishte swapi kshetreshu krishakaha bahunam vatsaranam iti badhaya purvam iti badhaya purvam klishtaha ekamapi dhanyakanam bhumau na avakiran. Okay, that is a too long a sentence. Okay, Sasya bhuishteshwapi. Sasya bhuishteshwapi.
Even though it has bhuishyepapi.
Sasya bhuishteshwa api.
Shu api. Sasya bhuishteshu.
Sasya bhuishteshu api. So that is Saptami, right? In the what is bhui?
Sasya
full of.
Huh? What?
Full of sasyam.
Oh, okay. In the full of in the area which is full of greenery. Also in the area which is full of greenery, Krishakaha bahunaha vatsaranam. So farmers bahunam vatsaranam. Many farmers vatsaranam. No, farmers vatsaranam.
Many
lot of years.
Yes.
In many years.
Badhaya purvam.
Iti badhaya.
Iti badhaya purvam.
Badhaya purvam. Sorry.
Badhaya purvam. Badhaya is difficulty, trouble, obstacle. Purvam. Klishtaha. What is klishtaha?
Difficulty, I think.
Difficulties.
Badhaya is also difficulty. Klishtaha is also difficulty.
Iti badhaya purvam klishtaha ekamapi dhanyakanam bhumau na avakiran.
Because of that drought, they were not able to sow any of dhanyam, dhanyakana.
Avakiran means avakiran?
Means sow, I think sow the seeds, no? You are telling sowing. Plant.
Okay. Oh, they have not, because of the difficulty, they have not even sown one seed in that land. Ekamapi, also one seed, even one seed. A lot of, okay. So, in the full of, also in the greenfield land, since many years, because of difficulty, they have not even sown one seed. Klishta Badhya Bahunam Bhumau. Right? What is Bhumau?
In the land.
Which Bhumau is it?
In the earth. Bhumi. Bhumau.
Okay. Saptami, right? Yeah, Krishna Mohan, now you can.
Dhanyakana api na labdaha kakaihi. So dhanyakana means greens api na labdaha kakaihi. So they are not available for the kaka parivaraha.
Kakahi is Tritiya Vibhakti, right?
Kageki labda. When they were not able to get.
No, Tritiya, right? Then with that. Okay. Dhanyakana was not available with Kaka.
Not available by the Kakai, by the cross. Kudaha annam labhyeda. From where we will get annam.
So with the crow, we couldn't get grains.
Dhanyakana api na labdhaha kakaihi. For the crows, grains were also not available because the farmers were also not able to plant any seed.
Yeah, kakaihi is Tritiya Vibhakti, right?
Yeah.
So for how did it come?
Not able to get by the crow.
Okay.
Not obtainable by the crow.
Okay.
Parivaraha
annaya samuhayati. Spruhayati iti janan Shvetavahanah Kinkaran dishi preshayat. So prayrayat. So he sent. Parivaraha annaya spruhayati iti janan. So he knew that the family is.
What is sprihi? Sprihi dhatu?
Sprihi dhatu.
Sprihi means touch.
Iti ichhati.
Ichhati.
Iti ichhati.
Ichhati. Atra sprihi dhatu asti atah annaya.
So he sent his soldiers or workers, Kinkaran, right? To dishi each direction.
Prayrayat.
Sent.
Prayrayat. Tatra ir dhatu. Gatau kalpane cha.
For food he sent his workers.
What is Prayrat form?
Lang lakara. Pra upasarga purvaka irayat.
Oh, iriyat becomes ariyat. So pra plus ariyat.
Prayrat. Anil Bahadur.
सर्वतो no gachata sarvato brahmata gramam gramam atata. Okay, gachata gone.
Go.
Gachata go.
Oh, okay, go everywhere. Brahmata visit. Confusion. Everywhere.
Wander everywhere.
Wander. Brahmata. Everywhere wander. Gramam gramam. No, Brahmata. Brahmata is what?
Brahmata.
Visit, right?
Wander.
Everywhere visit.
Wander
Village wander. Yatra kvachit dhanya rashi drishtaschet sadyah parapatat. Wherever parapatata. Wherever some food
is available.
Food rasi drishtet. You see drishtaha. You see, if you see anywhere some food, sadhyaha parapatata. Sadhyaha. Immediately parapatata. Patata. What is parapatata?
Parapatata.
Apatata is inform.
Then apatata is what? Get it.
Para apatata.
No, not get it.
I think collect. I think is it collect?
No.
Is it inform?
No. Not only inform. You come back. Maybe that's what he's saying.
Oh, sadhya is immediately.
Immediately.
Okay.
Krishna Mahadeva.
Mahyam nivedayata sarve vayam sambhuya gatva dhanyani khadeva. Mahyam nivedayata. So inform me. Sarve vayam sambhuya gatva dhanyani khadema. So we all go there and eat.
Mahyam nirvedaya means bring it to me or?
No. Mahyam nivedaya. Bring that news to me.
Show me or bring that news to me. Nivedana is
Mayam is Tritya.
Mahyam.
So the one what we offer to God is Naivedyam. It's the same thing, same spelling.
Nivedana means inform me. Sarve.
Mayam is Tritya, right?
Mahyam.
So then this is Bhave Prayoga?
No, inform me. Mahyam nivedayata.
It looks like Bhave Prayoga only.
No. Nivedayata ityasti kila. Bhave nasti.
That is again past tense, right? Nivedayata.
Nivedayatu. Nivedayatu. Nivedayata.
Oh, okay.
Ekaha na bhunjita. Nobody should starve.
I am Niyama. Na bhunjita. One. You should.
Yeah, nobody should eat alone. Nobody should eat alone.
What is Niyama? No. Before that, the Sambhuya. What is that?
Together. Getting together.
Okay.
Okay,
we all will go together and then eat. Okay, that's what he's saying.
Nayana Bunjiya. Ayam Niyamaha Sarvehi Paripalya. Iti Adisada.
What is Bunjita?
Nobody should eat alone. Ayam Niyamaha Sarvehi Paripalya. This rule should be followed by everybody. Iti Adisada. He told like that. He ordered. To be followed by all.
Okay. No, we will stop here. Continue the story next week.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
नमस्कारः.